Welcome back to SiriusXM's Women in Trucking Show with your host, Ellen Voya, President and CEO of the Women in Trucking Association.
We've been talking about health and wellness on this show today and opioids, but my guest for this segment is Hope Savara. She is the CEO of Mother Trucker Yoga, also the author of Trucking Yoga. Hope, where do they find your book?
Yeah, you can find my book in a couple of places. You can go to our website at mothertruckeryoga.com. You can also find it on Amazon, and we're on about 150 different book platforms. So even if you just go to Google, you're going to find that book just about anywhere.
And talk about the Stiff Mother Trucker Pain Relief Cream. How did you come up with that?
Yeah, so as someone that's been in the fitness and yoga world for, 20 plus years, I always said to myself, I'm going to one day make my own pain relief cream because I used it at the end of classes all the time on my students. And I always had a disclaimer. This one's too greasy. This one, only works for so long. This one has a bad smell. This one's going to stain your clothes. So be careful. And so I felt one day I'm going to make one. And then I met somebody and she was like, I love your company. You should have and we both said it at the same time, pain relief cream. And she's like, I can help you make it. And so actually right before the pandemic, I spent about a year formulating it. We did about 10 different rounds of formulas and found one that worked. And then when we were thinking about the name, I like puns. I like to ride the edge of almost inappropriate. That's just my nature. And so I was like, what should we name it? And Mother Trucker Yoga is my business name. And I'm like, what about Stiff Mother Trucker? It's stiff. People are stiff. I want to get people to laugh. I mean, so many people, they pick stuff up and life is so serious. And I want someone to pick it up and to laugh. I want them to be like, I'll give it a try. I mean, it's $15. What the heck? And just see if there's one small thing they can do to improve their health and reduce pain. I mean, hey, why not?